Namecheap is offering free domain to everyone. You can get it for absolutely free. Let me show how you can get. First, go to the link which I given in the description box. Then you have to create account. So go to the account and click on dashboard. And here it will ask to the login. Click on sign up. And here you have to create your account, so fill all these details, and I will fill my details, then I will click on continue. And now our account is created successfully. Go back to the link from which I given in the description box. Here you can see welcome back to the Namecheap, and here is the coupon code which you can apply to get the free domain. So click on claim domain which you want to claim, and here register your domain. Give the domain name. Here I will give it as devjunex, and then I will add it to the cart. And then you have to paste the promo code here and click on apply, and here our promo code is applied. You can see coupon code successfully applied, and here you have to select it for 1 year, and that's it. You can see our shop total is only 17 RS, which is approximately $0.2. So now you can continue of filling all your details, address details, and it will ask for the payments. You can add the credit card details, and you can also pay with the PayPal. As I don't have a valid credit card to demonstrate you, so I will stop the video here. You can proceed it like this, and if you face any problem you can message it in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.